Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, y'all, it is cool and it's rainy and it's just bleh outside. And I just told Russell, I said, I don't think summer's ever going to come and just stick around and stay with us. So what better way to celebrate this old rainy day than making a pie? So that's what we're going to do.
It's going to make my day better.
Yes, it is. And I'm going to make an old pie that started in the Depression era. That when they didn't have fruit or anything, they just went to their pantry, and I guess somebody thought, oh, this should go well together. And so I'm going to be making a buttermilk pie. Some people call it a Depression pie. That's what they called it back in the day. And they've called it a pantry pie. But we are calling it a buttermilk pie, and it is well known here in the South for just items that you would probably already have in your pantry. Now, I know this Bisquick, you're like, oh, that wasn't in the pantry back in the day. I bought this for my struggle meals, and I said I need to use this up. But you can also use flour. But I'm just going to be using this. It's quick and easy, and it's going to be good. And so this is like a custardy kind of pie. Like a custard and a cheesecake had a little country cousin. And this is the buttermilk pie. So I have got my oven set at 350 degrees. And I've got me just a little buttered pie dish. Now listen, you can add a pie crust to this, but I'm telling you, you don't even need it. You will not miss it. But you can certainly do it if you want it. So we're going to start with just these simple little ingredients. 1.5 cups of sugar. In it goes. We've got, I've got 6 tablespoons of just melted butter. And I got my little spatula ready, honey. So we can get all that goodness out. And you want to melt it. All right. We got 3 eggs. Simple, right?
Yep.
3 eggs, and we've got, we're going to use this old buttermilk, this Bisquick here, and we just want 1/2 cup of that. So 1/2 cup of Bisquick. In it goes. Let's try not to dump and overdo it, right?
Right.
There we go. 1/2 cup. Did pretty good. All right, now 1 cup of buttermilk, and I didn't get my cup. All right, 1 cup of buttermilk. Try this again, right?
Yep.
I've already shook my buttermilk. Y'all know, listen, give it a good old shake. Yummy buttermilk. Don't think it's gonna be nasty with the buttermilk. I'll tell you, the buttermilk actually, because it's got 1.5 cups of sugar, it works perfectly, y'all, with this. So it's not super sweet. It's not overly sweet. But that sugar, I'll tell you what that sugar does. It does make a beautiful crispy crust on the top, honey. So it's custardy in the middle and got that little crunchy topping. And it's delicious. So we're going to do you can do a tablespoon of this. Just measure with your heart on that, honey. Do what you want to do. Do as the Lord leads you. You won't go wrong. Now we're just going to mix all this together. And you can get a mixer if you want to. But I'm just going to do it all right here in just one bowl. Give it a little mix, and I'll tell you what it smells like. When I'm making, I used to make a pound, when I was making a pound cake, that's what it's smelling like. Good old, and I know you use sour cream and all that in the pound cake, but that's what it smells like. Now, a lot of people add things to it. They add cinnamon or nutmeg. You can add coconut extract in this, lemon, and but I'm going to show you just the basic buttermilk pie. It doesn't need anything fancy. I'm telling you, it's good on its own. All right. We're going to just get it right in here. I'll try to get all the little lumps out. All right, we're going to just pour it into this little pie dish here. Just like so.
It already looks custardy.
It does. Let me get my little spatula out here. I'm telling you, don't be scared of this little pie, y'all. It is delicious. And as you see, it does not take many ingredients. All right, in the oven it goes, like I said, at 350 for about 45-50 minutes, all according to your oven, because everybody's oven is different. So I would check it at about 40-45 minutes and see if it's ready. So in the oven it goes. I'll let y'all know what it looks like when it comes out. Oh, y'all, look at that. Yummy. See how I said it's going to get a little crispy on top?
Man, that looks good.
Got the little custard going on in the middle. And who needs a pie crust? Not a soul. That's just extra calories, right?
Looks delicious.
Just extra calories. All right, it's hot. All right, we are going to let this cool. And then Russell's going to have him a little slice.
I'm ready.
All right. All right, y'all. Tasting time.
Yeah.
I did cut it warm. You should probably let it cool off a little bit.
I don't mind.
He don't mind. He likes warm pie, y'all. Got him a scoop of Cool Whip on top.
Wow. That is amazing.
It really is. And you know, you would never know it's a depression pie.
It don't make me depressed. I can tell you that. I ain't no depressed about that.
That's how sometimes simple ingredients are. You think, oh my goodness, this is not going to be worth nothing. It's just this and that, but it turns out to be fabulous.
The crunch on the top of that pie.
That sugar.
Wow. It don't need no crust. I can tell you that.
It really
right now.
doesn't. It doesn't. And I see a lot of people put this in a crust, but it don't need it. It's just extra.
That's fantastic.
And it's kind of like the custard that if you made the old-timey coconut pies. It's kind of like the same ingredients for that too. So good though, y'all. So good.
Dangerous is what that is.
And,
I could eat that whole thing over here.
And doesn't take that many ingredients. And y'all know I love simple ingredients. Stuff I can just go to my pantry and get. I ain't got to go over to the food line or the Walmart to look for weird ingredients.
Yeah,
so.
it's got two or three, and it's delicious. Man,
it's good.
I'm surprised at how I was thinking it would be sweeter. To be honest, it doesn't. It's not overly sweet because it had a good bit of sugar in it.
Yes, but that buttermilk. That's why I said that buttermilk is a good.
It balances it out.
It balances it out. Yes. Some good old
now
southern
I got to get around
chemistry.
here. I got to get around here to the back because I have a feeling it's going to be even crustier. Look at that,
it's
y'all.
Good.
Golly.
It's really good. Yummy. That's what I said. It's like cheesecake and custard had a little country cousin, and that's buttermilk pie.
That's all I can say about that. Wow.
Yeah. A lot of my older people probably will remember this because, a lot of grandmas and back in
the day,
our childhood and everything else, it's simple stuff, and they didn't have a lot. So hopefully it'll bring back some good memories for some of y'all.
Yeah, exactly. I hope it does. I hope it, gives you memories of your grandparents or older times gone by. That's another reason why we love to do this.
I love the old recipes.
Yeah.
If y'all have any old recipes, honey, send them my way.
Yeah.
Just like Miss Tammy with that cream macaroni.
Yeah.
And I love that old one.
Every video, y'all. Email is in the description.
Yep.
And you can go to www.ronniscountrykitchen.com and find the email there. You can find all our videos there. Yeah. We are steadily trying to get all that caught up with the current videos. Yeah. But yeah, if you want to scroll through our older stuff, go check it out.
Yeah.
Doing better on Facebook. I'm uploading all the long form videos to Facebook for people that want to watch it there. So yeah.
That may not go to YouTube. So that's how good. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much. And if you make it, y'all know, give me a holler. And if you've had it before, even if you've not, give it a try.
It's delicious.
It is.
You ain't gonna regret that, I promise.
It's good.
You ain't gonna be mad at it.
No, and you can even top it with fruit, Or, I mean, you can Jezebel it right up.
Well, yeah, Jezebel, I love it. She said, well, you think I ought to do with chocolate? I think that'd be good too.
Yes, you can
that
do
would
this.
be good.
Yes,
Hey,
you can do the chocolate. He's like, let's just stick to the original right now. But yes, you can put you a scoop of cocoa in here. Honey, it changes it all
that may be
together.
coming soon, y'all, because if we have one, that may be on the video. Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah.
But anyway, y'all, we won't keep you, but thank y'all so much for watching. And until next time, peace.